Have you ever felt overwhelmed by a never-ending to-do list? Struggling to keep track of projects and deadlines? If so, Asana might be the solution you've been searching for. But with both free and premium versions available, which one is right for you? Let's dive in and find out. Imagine Asana as a digital workspace where you can organize tasks, collaborate with team members, and track progress. It's like having a personal assistant that helps you stay on top of your game. But the question remains, what sets the free and premium versions apart? Key differences. 1. Number of projects and team members. Free, limited to 15 projects and a maximum of 15 team members. Premium, no limit on projects or team members, making it ideal for larger teams and complex projects. 2. Advanced features. Free, basic features like task creation, assignment, and due dates. Premium, access to advanced features such as custom fields, time tracking, and portfolio management. These features can streamline workflows and provide deeper insights into project performance. 3. Integrations. Free, limited integrations with other tools. Premium, extensive integrations with popular apps like Google Workspace, Microsoft Teams, and Slack, allowing for seamless collaboration and data synchronization. 4. Priority support. Free, basic support through self-help resources. Premium, priority support from Asana's customer success team, ensuring timely assistance and problem resolution. 5. Storage. Free, limited storage for attachments and files. Premium, increased storage capacity to accommodate larger files and project documents. 6. Custom branding. Free, limited customization options for your Asana workspace. Premium, ability to customize your workspace with your company logo, branding colors, and themes, creating a more professional and personalized experience. Choosing the right plan. So, which Asana plan is the best fit for you? Here are some factors to consider. Team size. If you have a small team, the free plan might suffice. However, if you have a larger team or work on complex projects, the premium plan offers the necessary features and flexibility. Project complexity. If your projects require advanced features like custom fields, time tracking, or portfolio management, the premium plan is essential. Integration needs. If you need to integrate Asana with other tools you use daily, the premium plan's extensive integrations can save you time and effort. Support requirements. If you value priority support and want to ensure timely assistance, the premium plan is a great option. Additional tips. Start small. If you're new to Asana, begin with the free plan to get familiar with the platform. As your needs grow, you can easily upgrade to the premium plan. Take advantage of free trials. Many companies offer free trials of their premium plans. This allows you to test out the advanced features and decide if they are worth the investment. Consider alternatives. While Asana is a popular choice, it's not the only option available. Explore other project management tools to find the one that best suits your specific requirements. In conclusion, the choice between free and premium Asana depends on your team size, project complexity, integration needs, and support requirements. By carefully evaluating these factors, you can select the plan that provides the best value for your organization. Ready to take the next step and improve your project management workflow? Visit Asana's website to learn more about their free and premium plans and sign up for a trial. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.